guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Cindy and I, Cindy from Creating with the Heart, we are doing a collaboration using the brand new I Want It All bundle, Sparkle and Shine. So I can't wait to see what she created. I'll have her link in the description box so you can head on over to her channel after you watch my video to see what she created. So for this bundle, you get the paper pad, the coordinating ephemera, the paw print stencil, the 6x8 stamp set, and then there's an option to add the die. And I also do have extra paper and ephemera listed as well. So we are going to make this super cute accordion tent card. So let's get into it. Okay, you're going to cut your cardstock down to 5.5. So it's going to be 5.5 by 11. Then you're going to score it at 1 3/4, 3.5, 5 1/4, and 7. Then you're going to fold on this score line here. So this is going to be your card base. You're going to fold that up. And then you're going to fold this one down, just like mountain and valley folds. So then you end up with your card like this. So now we're going to make the inside part of the card. So we're going to get a piece of cardstock and cut that down to 3 3/4 by 5.5. So now we have our cardstock cut down 3 3/4 by 5.5. You're going to score it down the middle at 2 3/4. So then you have a little note card. And that is going to be glued right in the center. You're going to pinch this closed, find your center, and you're going to glue that on there. But first we want to decorate this card. So we're going to cut out some strips for these panels here. So you're going to have 4 strips at 1.5 by 5 1/4. And for this panel here, you're going to want to cut this one down to 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. So I'm going to go and glue these all down after I cut out the last 2. The last panel you're going to want to cut is for the front and back of the mini card. So this one measures at 2 3/4, so you're going to cut it down to 2.5 by 3.5. I will leave in the description box the tutorial that I followed. So I want the stripe to be on the front side, so I'm going to put the stripe pattern paper on the first panel. So this kit is super adorable. I've been going to town with the cards. I'll show you the cards after I finish up with this card, all the beautiful cards that I've been creating with this kit. So now I want to make sure that I have an even border. And then I'm going to add this fun little print. So make sure you go over to Cindy Vernon's channel. I'll have it linked in the description box and see what she has made. Can't wait to go on over there and check it out. So I'm just going to get all my panels, try to get them all even. So I'm going to add the polka dots to the front panel of my small mini card. For the centerpiece here, I'm going to add some glue to each end. And you're going to want to pinch this together without pressing down. Find the center, exactly where you want to have your, so you kind of just line this up in the center. I think that looks pretty good. And then you can press it down and let it dry. So if you have liquid glue, just hold it down for a little bit till you think it's dry. So then when you open your card, you have that fun effect. Looks really cute. So let's go ahead and decorate the front of this. So I'm going to grab some of my ephemera. This poodle is really cute. I haven't used the poodle yet, the big one. Let's see, I've used a small little poodle. So these are really cute cards. These are storefront cards. I show a tutorial on how to do these. They're really cute. I packaged them all up. And then I followed Cindy's tutorial on how to make these pop-up window cards. So those were really cute and fun, real easy to do. And then I made this card. So all of these cards are on my channel if you want to take a look and see how I made them. So I really like this poodle for the front. I think on the back, let's see, I'll have the poodle on the front. And then maybe a sentiment here that says, wash your worries away with the towels. And then I'm going to add the same size panel as this goes right here. So we're going to cut that down. So I'm cutting mine down to 2.5 by 3.5, which is the a 1/4 inch smaller. So if you want to make the this panel here the same size as this one, you would just cut it at 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. And to line it up, so add some glue to the back. And then rest it right on this piece here. Try to get that straight. And then take the flap here and grab it. And then just make sure that it's straight. Okay, it looks straight enough there. And then you can press it down. So now you have a little place for your message, and it'll be hidden when the card is closed. So then you can add your little sentiment there, or you can add it here. So I think I might add it here. Let's see, I want to use the sentiment from the stamp set. I think I want to do the wash your worries away. Okay, so I think I want to put the towels. Oh my gosh, he's so cute too. Oh, maybe I could put him here. Yeah, I think I'll put him right there in the corner. And I'm not gonna pop him up because I want the card to lay flat when it's closed. And then these little towels at the bottom. And then we'll have our poodle front and center. How cute is that? All right, so I'm just gonna glue that straight down. That's so adorable. So then when this card stands up, it looks really cute. So I'm going to take a photo so you can see. But I want to also do some embellishing on the front here. Okay, I'm going to add some glue dots around the card. Okay, so we got a little bling bling going on. So really cute card. I've never made one of these before, so that was fun. I'm gonna put a picture so you can see the full effect when it's standing up. And don't forget to head on over to Cindy's channel and check out what she's created with this kit. The link to the kit will be in the description box if you haven't grabbed one already. And I appreciate you guys shopping with me. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.